Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tejas Networks. Today I am going to unbox the most affordable Wi-Fi router, that is MI3C router. So without wasting time, let's get started.
Here we go.
Open up the box, we have a router itself, a power adapter and the user manual. That's it in the box. Now let's look at the router itself. Looking at the router, the main thing we can see that the 4 antennas for transmitting and the receiving the signals. On the top we can see the MI branding. On the front side we can see the LED indicator light. On the back we can see the MAC address, the router login information and some LED indicator information. Here we can see the reset button, 2 Ethernet ports and the 1 WAN port which is blue and a power jack. This router is completely made up of good quality of plastic and it looks nice in the white color. And this router cost around you $70, that means 1000 Indian rupees. So this is a quick overlook of the MI3C router. Stay tuned for the full review of this router. So if you want to buy this router, I will put link in the description below. So do check out the links as well. That's it for today's guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. This is Tejas from Tejas Network signing off and I will catch you in my next video.